Robert Andrade with the parts of a nerve and nerve conduction video. Get right to it. First thing we have is a neuron, and we're going to name the parts. And all neurons have the three same basic parts. You're going to have the dendrites, you're going to have the cell body, and then you're going to have the axon. And then from those, we can get a little bit more complicated. The cell body right in the middle is the nucleus, of course. Now along this axon here, it's covered with myelin sheath, which is insulation for it. And in between the myelin here, we have what's called the nodes of Ranvier, not sure the pronunciation. And that's just gaps in the insulation. So, here's the axon that sends the impulses away until it finds another dendrite to continue. And in the middle of the myelin sheath, we have Schwann cells. Now we're going to go to the action potential traveling down a neuron. Of course, starts off with the axon. The electric signal is going to travel down there until it meets the dendrite. Where they meet is called a synapse, and there's nodes on each side of that synapse, one for the axon and one for the dendrite. And from there, we'll come back to this. Here is a synapse. Bring it out so you see a little better. Okay, here's where the electric signal comes in. It's going to hit a voltage-gated channel. And from here, calcium's going to go in, and it's going to release these neurotransmitters from the vesicles that it came in on. Right in here is the synapse, where the neurotransmitters are going to come out to the receptors on the dendrite. And that's going to cause sodium to come in, which is going to change the charge and creating that action potential. Oh, wrong way. So now, here's where we were with the synapse. And that action potential from each of those. And it needs all of those to create, or to have enough for summation. And from there, the action potential is created, and it's going to be coming down here on the axon until it meets another dendrite, and the process starts over.